flowers.
Let's go!
I really want to plant these beautiful roses.
I support you.
Let's get the gardening tools.
Let's go!
Put on your hat to protect yourself from the sun, my dear.
Which flower should I choose? This is beautiful.
Wow! Let's go! Yes!
Mound the soil firmly, my child. Put the chairs down here, my child.
Yes! Yummy!
It's so delicious, Mommy.
What a beautiful flower garden.
When you cultivate dreams together, happiness blooms in our own home.